Hello there! In this video, we're going to talk about HTML in the most understandable terms possible. Hypertext Markup Language, or HTML, is a language in website design that determines structure and layout. In the past, it was commonly used for the appearance of website content, but today has been mostly replaced by other languages. When the layout of a page appears broken, it's often due to an error in the HTML. You might also hear markup, Adobe Dreamweaver, text editor, cascading style sheet, CSS, JavaScript, broken HTML. It's kind of like how before you add paint to the walls of a building, you first must put studs in place to build a framework. HTML creates that basic framework for web pages. Do you have any website-related technical jargon that you struggle to explain to clients? Leave them in the comments and we'll try to answer. Thanks for watching.